Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Apartment Finder, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Apartment Finder website. Once on the home page, look for the search bar at the top. Enter your desired city or zip code in the search bar. Click the search icon or press enter to see your results. Browse through the listings displayed on the results page. Use the filters on the left side to narrow down your options. Adjust parameters such as price range, number of bedrooms, and amenities. When you find an apartment that interests you, click on the listing to view more details. Take note of important information such as square footage, pet policies, and availability. Look for photos and virtual tours provided for a better visual understanding. If you want to connect with the property manager, find the contact information on the listing page. This typically includes a phone number and email address. You can also check for a request information button to send inquiries directly. Fill out any required forms with your personal information and questions. Submit your inquiry and wait for a response from the property management team. Keep an eye on your email or phone for their reply. If you'd like to visit the property, ask about scheduling a tour. Be prepared with any specific questions to discuss during your visit. After touring the apartment, evaluate if it meets your needs. If you decide to proceed, follow their application process as instructed. Review all terms and conditions before signing any lease agreements. This ensures you fully understand your commitment. By following these steps, you'll connect smoothly with Apartment Finder and streamline your apartment search. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.